Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you, when a virus attacks a cell, it attaches to the cell's surface and injects its genetic material into the cell. The virus then takes over the cell's machinery to replicate itself, producing more virus particles. This can cause the cell to become damaged or destroyed in the process. The infected cell may release new virus particles, which can go on to infect other cells in the body. The immune system typically responds to the virus infection by trying to eliminate the infected cells and control the spread of the virus. When a virus attacks a cell, it follows a specific series of steps to hijack the cell's machinery and replicate itself. So, before I am starting, please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting, guys and girls. Here's some points. 1. Attachment. The virus first attaches to specific receptors on the surface of the host cell. This attachment is usually specific to certain cell types and viruses. 2. Entry. The virus then enters the host cell, either by directly injecting its genetic material into the cell or by being engulfed by the cell membrane and entering through endocytosis. 3. Uncoating. Once inside the cell, the virus releases its genetic material, DNA or RNA, into the cell's cytoplasm. Some viruses may need to uncoat their protein coat to expose their genetic material. 4. Replication. The viral genetic material takes over the cell's machinery, forcing it to replicate the viral genome and produce viral proteins. This often involves the hijacking of the cell's ribosomes, enzymes, and other components for viral replication. 5. Assembly. The newly synthesized viral genetic material and proteins are assembled into new virus particles, virions, within the host cell. 6. Release. The newly formed virus particles are released from the host cell, either by budding off from the cell membrane or by causing the cell to burst, lysis, releasing multiple copies of the virus to infect other cells. 7. Spread. The released virus particles can then infect neighboring cells, spreading the infection throughout the body. The immune system responds to the infection by recognizing the infected cells and attempting to eliminate the virus. This process of viral infection can lead to cell damage, cell death, and the spread of the virus to other cells and tissues in the body. The host's immune response plays a crucial role in combating the infection and clearing the virus from the body. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna, and take care yourself and also care yours nearest to your surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks. Bye. See you again. Love you all.